Pistachios are one of the most popular and delicious nuts in the world. You've probably seen them in a shell, eaten them as a snack, or even tried them in ice cream or chocolate. But pistachios are more than just a tasty treat, they're full of surprises. Let's crack open some knowledge and explore 3 awesome facts about pistachios that make them so special. Fact number 1. Pistachios are actually seeds. Even though we call them nuts, pistachios are actually seeds from the pistachio tree. The tree grows in hot, dry places like Iran, the US, especially California, and the Middle East. The seed grows inside a hard shell, and when it's ready to eat, the shell naturally splits open almost like it's saying, "Snack time." So the next time you eat one, remember, you're eating a seed, not a nut. Fact number 2. They're packed with good stuff. Pistachios may be small, but they're full of healthy things your body loves, like protein to help build muscles, fiber to help your tummy digest food, healthy fats that are good for your heart, vitamins and minerals like B6 and potassium. This means pistachios aren't just yummy, they're actually a smart snack choice. Fact number 3. They've been around for thousands of years. Pistachios aren't new, they've been eaten by people for over 7,000 years. They were once known as the royal nut because kings and queens used to eat them as special treats. They've stayed popular all this time because they're so tasty and full of nutrition. Today, you can find them in trail mixes, granola bars, cookies, chocolate bars, and of course just by themselves. Final thoughts: pistachios are a fun and healthy snack that have been loved for generations. Whether you eat them plain, roasted, or mixed into your favorite dessert, they're always full of flavor and good stuff for your body. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.